I'm on the panel with ISO and BIS for developing protocols for creation of organoids as tools and platforms for drug discovery. To give you a relevance on why this is important, clinically speaking and biologically speaking, if there is a drug that's coming out of a lab, from the lab to the market, we spend billions of dollars. But what goes into the market is only somewhere between 3 to 7%. More than 90% of the drug fails at clinical trial.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah. And that 90% results in billions of dollars getting wasted by pharma, by several healthcare sector fields. And one of the reasons, if you can pinpoint and why this failure is happening, it's because the results that are produced from the lab are not translational.
Okay.
So what I mean by that is the results coming from mice, monkeys, cancer cell lines are not relevant to human biology.
They do some kind of prototyping, simulation, whatever. Think it will work in clinical trials.
Yes.
But after spending billions of dollars, they realize that it doesn't work.
Yes.
So they don't get approval and...
Yes. And then the drug is taken off the market, or it's not even approved to the market. So this model system was initially developed to understand the developmental biology, right? How organs work, how things evolve and stuff. But what people soon started seeing is these are fantastic tools for me to model diseases. Now, because it's mimicking what human physiology looks inside our body, I can use this to understand human disease. And I can use the same methodology to develop drugs to treat the disease.